Wait, shoot. Hello and welcome back to oh my god, I am Cat. Sorry. And today we're trying to get to the new map, Mill. I don't even know what a mill is. Apparently, I think it looks like that. But let's complete butcher store. So I'm not going to try to make my videos too long, guys. I'm so sore from yesterday because I was playing with Brenix and I was sore. I got sore. So I woke up so sore. So that's why I laid off the video for a while. No, I haven't made a I'm Cat video in a while. Okay, we're gonna get through here. Ugh. Almost there. So I think so. Yeah. Alright, and we're here. So this is the kitchen part. I think I have to complete this part and then get to the mill. Okay. Scatter the bread. The bread is in there. I didn't even need to. Why? And I forgot this was here, so. What did I do? I don't know where the bread is. How about that? You scattered the bread. Grow some hair. So funny. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Throw the eggs at the entrance door. Sorry, my game's laggy. Okay, here are the eggs. Oh. We have to do one. Scatter the buttons on the floor. Okay, easy. So, if you want to see more of this game, comment down below. Hopefully tomorrow when I wake up, I'm not sore. If I'm not sore tomorrow, I probably won't lay off the video. Dear Lord! What are you saying? It's like... Oh, come on. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Like that? On the floor. Oh, I have to bring them out here. Pick it up. one. Why are things so complicated? Bah. 3, 4. It took it that long to reach 4. Closed. Okay, we gotta flip that. Closed. Break the vases. Okay, that's what I'm wondering. What are the vases? Like that? Why are these things not right? What? Are you breaking? Hello there, sir. What a horrible butcher shop you have here. Please tell me something about this. Oh. That one. No. I'm just gonna knock down everything I can. Oh, is it like these things? Yeah. Okay. I'll get to a safe place. Okay. So how long was this video so far? Okay. Not that long. So find the key in the attic. Okay. Scoot! Attic! Come on! Why do you have an attic if you can't get up there? That's what I'm... Do you have like a secret doorway to your attic? What is this? So, I don't know if y'all saw my post, but I'm also, every short I do is going on, TikTok as well. So, once I find this key card, we'll be ready to go. Still don't know what that does. Set in the attic. Yeah, it says the attic. What else could that mean? I'm going to at least try to keep my videos at least 10 minutes. For any new viewers, I don't want the video to be too long. Where is this stupid key card? Oh. I'm the key card. Hello, Mr. Sir McDoodle. The mill. Boom. Alright, we're going in and I'm ending the video. Sorry, guys. I want to know what a mill looks like. I've never seen one before. Holy! Shut up! Come on! I guess they're an enemy of here? Of this place? Perfect. Alright. Is that a cow? No, can I milk? I can milk the cow? I can milk a cow. I can milk the cow! No, you. Shut it! I'm trying to record a video here, sir. Hold on. Alright, I'll complete this one objective, then I'll end the video. Climb into the kitchen. What kitchen is what I'm wondering. Oh my god, man. Freaking. Do it again. God, the thing is annoying. I'm assuming that's the kitchen. Oh dear. What does this do? Ow! Alright, oh my god, I'm sweating. Sweating. Both. Alright, hurry up, please. Don't know what that was. Okay. Said okay, okay, screw it. Cockle-doodle-doo! I don't like you. So I guess he'll try to jump at you. If you're up high. Sorry. So this is what a mill looks like. I guess the next map is coming soon. Coming soon. Alright, guys, this is the end of this video, and I'll see you next video. If y'all have any idea of what I should do, just tell me, because running out of ideas here. Running out of ideas. Oh, yeah, something about TikTok. So I posted. If y'all seen the short I posted today. I posted it on TikTok, right? TikTok got more views than YouTube in the first like 3 hours. So yeah. Alright, see y'all later, and subscribe if y'all want. I really do want y'all to subscribe, but you don't have to. If you like my videos, like them if you want, subscribe if you want. So, oh yeah. Bye.